It is 8:46 on a lovely Sunday morning. Temperatures in many cases along the Front Range are already into the 50s to lower 60s. 54 right now along Highway 115 at Turkey Creek. Just a few clouds around. Obviously much warmer than it was this time yesterday in the morning. And a mostly sunny sky in Pueblo as well. The Pueblo Chieftain Studios at 59. The airport still in the 40s. But regardless, it's a nice start to the day considering how late we are into November. Skycast shows we should expect a mixture of clouds and sun as we head into the afternoon. There might even be a few flurries up across the Continental Divide, but we're not really expecting any significant snowfall over the mountains during the day today. At lower elevations, we'll be focusing more on our temperatures. We'll be in the 60s to lower 70s today, so real nice day. Leadville about 48, 50s to around 60 should do it for the rest of the mountains and southern valleys. And the wind won't be terribly strong today either, maybe 10 to 15 miles an hour on the high side. Overnight tonight, we'll start to notice some changes late tonight with some snow beginning to spread into southwestern Colorado. The heaviest of it really won't come in until after midnight, but we do have a host of weather advisories in effect for mountain areas, both for tomorrow and Tuesday. So where you see blue, winter storm watches, where you see white, winter weather advisories, and where you see red, winter storm warnings. And out here across the San Juan Mountains, some locations could pick up more than a foot of snow with this next system. Probably not quite as heavy for the ski resorts in the northern and central part of the state, but they'll do all right as well. Tuesday, by the way, in the morning, you see this area of snow that Skycast wants to hold just to our north through 9 o'clock. There are some indications with newer model information this morning that some of this stuff will slide through prior to daybreak, and if so, it could impact the morning commute on Tuesday. So we still have some details to iron out on this, but I do think the bottom line is we should expect some snow on Tuesday, and the heaviest of it will probably be located on the higher terrain around the Pikes Peak region again, similar to what happened with the last storm. Still, Tuesday looks like an unsettled day. After hitting the 60s tomorrow, we'll only be in the 30s, so big changes. We'll have that system out of here by Wednesday, and then Thanksgiving Day looks fine. Partly cloudy, maybe a little breezy, seasonably cool with temperatures in the mid-50s. Friday looks pretty quiet, too, for those of you that are going to do that whole shopping thing. Saturday, I think, will be kind of blustery. Some wind will pick up. It'll be a little cooler. Might even be a chance for a few flurries somewhere in the afternoon. I think it's more likely on the mountains than here at lower elevations, and we'll track that through the week as well. Let's get through the Tuesday storm first. Well, a little cooler tomorrow, probably a little breezier as well. Temperatures on Tuesday will be in the 40s, maybe falling into the 30s during the afternoon. This storm's a little warmer than the last one, so I think you might actually start out with rain before it switches over to snow. But the bottom line is I don't think it's going to be cold enough for snow to stick very well for you in Pueblo, even if you get it. So, hey, if we get something to fall out of the sky, great. But right now, I wouldn't expect too much trouble traveling the roadways through the Steel City. Canyon City, your high today is 70. Tomorrow, mid-60s, so real nice the next couple of days. Tuesday, obviously cooler with that mixture of rain and snow showers. Highs could reach the 40s. We'll drop off some in the afternoon. Then we look fine through the rest of the holiday weekend, as best we can tell, with temperatures in the 50s and just partly cloudy conditions. Mountain areas in Teller County could pick up a couple of raindrops or snowflakes late tomorrow afternoon. That's not really the main concern for us. We wouldn't expect any accumulating snowfall during the day tomorrow. But again, tomorrow night into Tuesday morning, it's possible, and then during the day on Tuesday as well. And probably several inches. I don't think this will be a huge storm by mountain standards, but could be enough to make for some headaches on the roadways. We'll get it out of here in time for Thanksgiving. Highs back into the 40s, and maybe by the time we hit next weekend, we could have another chance for a little bit of snow. The next storm for next weekend looks to bring snow more to the ski resorts than it does to our area, but it's close enough that we'll have to keep an eye on it.
It's good as going to the resorts, because that's where everyone's going to be skiing.
Yeah, they need it, and they've definitely been short, so it's good to see some snow falling up there, too.
Right, right. And again, about this windshield defroster, I just want to, I'm really blown away by this. You put it right on your dashboard, and I'm going to try it out this week, so I'll let you know next week and if it's any good. But
Sounds better than sitting in a car for 10 minutes.
Exactly, exactly. Thanks, Marty.
You're welcome.
It's